Good morning, dear children. Today we will going to start multiplication chapter 1 from your mathematics book. You have already done multiplication in class 1. Basically, multiplication is combining groups of equal sizes, and the sign of the multiplication is cross. Yes, have you seen this? Okay, cross. This is the sign of multiplication. Let's start doing this chapter. There are 3 bananas on each plate, as you can see. And how many plates are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to count all the bananas. There are 5 plates with 3 bananas on each. How will you find the total number of bananas? So simply we will add 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, as there are 3 bananas on each plate. That is why we are adding 3 plus 3, and as there are 5 plates, so we will add 3 5 times. So answer is 15. Okay. You can skip count in threes 5 times to find the total number of bananas. Is there another way to find the total number? Let us find out in this chapter. Introducing groups. There are 3 groups of flowers, 1, 2 and 3, and in each group there are 3 flowers. So how do we count all the flowers? 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 9. Okay. Now there are 4 groups of 3 stars each. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups and 3 stars in each. So we will add 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 12. Adding the same number over and over again is called repeated addition. Okay. Now example is, there are 2 groups of 4 trees each. 4 trees, 4 trees. 2 groups are there. Now total number of trees are 8. Okay. Now we will do exercise number 1.1 on page number 73. Find the total number of objects by repeated addition. There are, how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups are there and 4 cups are there. There are 4 groups of 4 cups each. The number of cups 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. अब हम 4 4 क्यों प्लस कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि एक तो यहाँ पर बॉक्सेस क्यों दे रखे हैं? क्योंकि यहाँ पर कितने ग्रुप्स हैं? 1 2 3 4, इसलिए 4 बॉक्सेस. एंड इसमें हमने 4 क्यों लिखा? क्योंकि हर ग्रुप में 4 कप्स हैं. दैट इज़ वाई वी आर राइटिंग 4 हेयर. नाउ व्हेन वी विल ऐड 4 plus 4, that is 8. 8 plus 4, that is 12. 12 plus 4, that is 16. So answer is 16. The second one is, there are dash groups of dash cats each. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 groups. And how many cats are there in each group? 1, 2. 2. Now total number of cats, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Now 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. The next one is, there are dash groups of dash balls each. 1, 2, 3. ये देखो, ये ग्रुप बना हुआ है ना, ये ग्रुप बना हुआ है, ये वाला भी ग्रुप बना हुआ है, ऐसे ये भी ग्रुप बना हुआ है. ठीक है. तो कितने ग्रुप हो गए? 1 2 3. और कितनी कितनी बॉल्स हैं? 3 3 बॉल्स हैं. 3 groups and 3 balls. Now the total number of balls are 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 9. Okay. As we were adding on page number 73, but multiplication is as repeated addition. Now there are mangoes. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. This is one group. That is second group. That is third group. And this one is fourth group. There are 4 groups and in each group there are 2 mangoes. So 4 times 2, 4 2s are 8. Okay. Here the symbol of cross denotes the multiplication. इन मल्टीप्लीकेशन द नंबर्स मल्टीप्लाइड आर कॉल्ड फैक्टर्स. जिन दो नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई किया जाता है उन्हें फैक्टर्स कहा जाता है. एंड द आंसर वी गेट इज कॉल्ड द प्रोडक्ट. और जो हमारा आंसर आता है हम उसे प्रोडक्ट कहते हैं. 3 2 6. 3 and 2 are called factors and answer that is 6 is called the product. Now exercise number 1.2. Fill in the boxes by looking at the picture one has already done for you. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups are there and in each group there are 3 eggs. So we will write 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 that is 12, or we can say 4 into 3 that is 12. 4 times 3 that is 12. Product is 12. Now how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3. Okay. And how many apples are there? 3 apples in each group. So we will show 3 plus 3 plus 3 that is 9. But in other way we can say how many groups? 3 groups. How many apples in each group? 3. So 3 3s are 9. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So product is 9. Now the third question is there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups are there and in each group there are 2 candles. So we will show 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 that is 10. Or we can say how many groups are there? 5 and in each group there are 2 candles. So 5 2s are 10. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. That is why the product is 10. We will do some more exercises on this multiplication as repeated addition in the notebook now. Okay? Bye dear children.